Hello, gentlemen. This is Dapper Luke, and I'm here with Upscale Men's Fashion. We're going to go over the basics of how to tie a bow tie. Every man should own a bow tie. It's an essential part of that gentleman's uniform. To begin, of course, you want to make sure that top button is buttoned, collar is up. Drape that bow tie around your neck, one side slightly longer than the other, by about 2 inches. From there, you're going to cross the right over the left. Then with the extra side, the left, flip it over your left shoulder, kind of draping it over, kind of making somewhat of a elephant's trunk look with 2 ears. Pinch those 2 ears together, and then from there you're going to create a hole in the back. Take that flap that's down, bring it around clockwise, and then poke it through that hole in the back and begin to adjust it and kind of pull it tight to make that really snug bow tie look. As you begin, kind of adjust it, constantly adjusting as you bring it around, and then of course bring down that collar, and voila, we have a bow tie.